In today's video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok Creator Fund not working. Welcome back to this new video, everyone. Now, the most important thing that you need to know in this case is that TikTok has officially discontinued the original Creator Fund within its platform and has now switched to the TikTok Creator Rewards program. So what you need to do in this case is upgrade to the new Creator Rewards program as well. So just tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, head over to TikTok Studios, and as soon as you head over to TikTok Studios, you'll get a section of selecting the Creator Reward program. You just need to tap on the join or apply button. Now, even if you head over to this section and you are not being able to see the option of joining or applying, that simply means that your requirements has not yet been fulfilled. In order to join this fund or the Creator Fund or the Creator Reward program, you need to have at least 10,000 authentic followers, at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days, and your account must also be at least 18 years of age. Not all countries or not all regions have this option, so make sure that the country that you're living or the region that you're living has this option available within the TikTok platform. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.